Hey guys, I'm back with another video of Madden Mobile. Today, we're gonna try to complete Troy Aikman. Hope we should complete that one. And we're gonna see if we can have a shot of redemption in the NFL domination. And we'll try this. A Felix Field. Felix Field, live event. Alright, let's try the Troy Aikman first. Alright, continue. Let's see how good Troy Aikman is. Alright. Oh, I hate this play. Alright, let's see. Get wide open. Good. Good pass. Let's see if we can go. Demarius Thomas. Woo. This is gonna be a tough one. I don't think I can pass it him. His awareness is not that good. I got a bad feeling about this, guys. And he caught it. Woo! So we completed 1 out of 3 live events. Let's see if we can have a shot at redemption here. Hopefully we can and win that 1K reward. 1K and more. Let's see if we can stop their defense. Can we get a pick? Alright, good. Only got 6 yards. Not bad. Can we get the sack? Jack Lamb. Let's go, baby. Alright, we're gonna go for running plays, but I don't feel safe throwing passes. We already know what happens when I throw a pass. Good things don't happen. Let me just go for a slant. I always complete that pass, so shouldn't be too hard. Ooh, I jinxed myself tonight. Yes, I did. Wow. Can we get the sack? Can we get a sack? Oh, he's gonna catch up because my defense is garbage. Looks like we're getting no shot at redemption again. And sack, nice. No, alright, that's like good. Sack for no yards, but at least we stopped him. Come on, call the liar to the last time out. My players could have tipped the ball. Alright, guess. Hey, it looks like we can do that again. I leveled up. That's good. I got middle attack, strong blitz, 2,000 coins, and 100 refill. Let's see, come on, guys, cheer me up. We need this NFL domination card. So I think it's a 99 overall Richard Sherman. Alright, let's not. I'm gonna run it. No matter what, I'm gonna run it. See? We got the first down. Yes, use your timeout. Use them hard. Can we get any yards? Alright. We got 3 yards, yeah. Alright, good. 2 yards, so it should be. It says it right there, but alright. You got a first down. Nice job. Alright, let's run the clock down. I haven't been doing that lately. And we're gonna seal the win. So this could take some time. So I'm not only gonna be doing Madden videos. I'm gonna start probably doing Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto, horror games, adventure maps, and lots of more stuff you guys will probably like. And down in the description below, tell me what you guys want me to record, and I'll do it. And we get the first down. No, we get the first down, but we seal the win. Okay, good job. Woo. Finally, should have ran it the first time. 35. Oh, sorry if you guys wanted to see the stats, but let's see where we get. I think we don't have that one. Hopefully, because I'm gonna be mad. Oh no, we have it. Oh no. All that work for nothing. Oh. I'm a little bit upset because of that. Should have got someone new. But alright. Let's see. 40 yards, that's nothing. And there's your 40 yards. And touchdown. First play. Huh. Right. Right. Since this video was a little bit short, I'm gonna open some packs. The person I was selling didn't sell, so I'm gonna try to resell them again. Hopefully, I could get what I asked for. Oh, you see there we got Kurt Pantherus. I don't know, Mike. I can't pronounce these names really good, so sorry about that. One pack. Really? I only had. Alright. I only had 13K, so that's why. As you see there, this is set. Oh, a lot of times. 39. They're not bad. It's okay. Could have gone better, but I'm not gonna complain. I could have got like a 70 overalls, or some really bad player like that. Oh, I got a bronze trophy. Like, oh, didn't even notice that. Let's see what else I can do. Alright. I guess that's all for this video, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.